experimental film. And initially, I've always wanted to have like a dumb cell phone night in Emmons. Have Emmons packed with all the people in Emmons, and then when they're there, everyone does the thing where they hold up their cell phone, and based upon the seat number that you've typed in, you can connect to a database, and I have it set up to where I'm on the stage, and the entire crowd becomes a screen for me. Now, none of you guys would see what was on the screen, except I would then have to have a camera that I'm holding up like this, shooting the screen where you'd see it projected behind me. And so it would be like this weird, reflective, meta, weird thing that can still be awesome. And so, and I really, you know, give it a couple years, maybe I'll do that. And so, but like the first step of that is I need something that would work with a smaller crowd, because I'm not going to get Emmons packed for DevFest, not this year. So I started thinking, well, what if I made the crowd a speaker? Now, there's ways I could have done this to where I could like figure out the time in milliseconds your phone is off of a REST server and do all these sort of weird like time manipulation thing. Or I could do something else where something I haven't played with, and which is Firebase. So I started thinking about Firebase and how it can be used as a backend for this. Now the thing with Firebase is it does so much more than what I'm using it for. The example that I'm using it for is so minimal that it scratches the surface. With Firebase, the portion that I use, it's the real-time database. So anytime I've ever seen an example, they're always like, oh, let's have a chat application. They have like 10 machines set up next to each other. Somebody publishes their message, and you see all 10 screens update so quickly that you can't differentiate the time between one updating and the other one updating. So I thought to myself, my ears are much better than my eyes. Now, even though I don't hear as well, but the timing of my ears hears better than my eyes hear. So I thought, well, what am I actually testing for in this experiment? And it's not necessarily the latency of the signal getting from me to you. It's the average latency of all of those in the room coming at the same time. So if you... And Steven, yes! Okay. So I didn't think that was going to work that good. Actually,